Hello everyone. Welcome to BUSML 4212 Customer Relationship Management course. I am Dong-Soo Kim, the instructor of this course. In this video, I'm going to overview the course. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Dong-Soo Kim. Dong-Soo is my first name and Kim is my last name. You can call me Dong-Soo or just Dong. And I'm currently an assistant professor of marketing at Ohio State University. This is my contact information, office and email and office hour. And in this semester, I don't have a fixed office hour because of the coronavirus pandemic. Instead, you can email me to make an appointment. I'm going to respond to your message with a Zoom meeting invitation as soon as possible. And I'm from South Korea, and I'm not a native speaker, and my mother tongue is math. Seriously. That is, this course is totally mathematical. And what does that mean? That means you will learn several mathematical tools in this course. This course is not just to overview what is CLM. You will learn how to implement the CLM in practice through these mathematical tools: customer value matrix, RFM, recency, frequency, and monetary value analysis, and logistic regression. This course includes lectures and lab sessions. In the lectures, you will learn what those mathematical tools are and when and why you use those tools. In the lab sessions, which follows the lectures, I'm going to share real data sets with you, and you will learn how to actually conduct analysis with the tools you learned in the lectures. For analysis, we are going to use Excel and SPSS software. And so I want you to actually do it, not just learn it in this course. Class logistics. This course is a hybrid course. Each week is designed for one topic. In each week, there will be 1 or 2 recorded lectures followed by an in-person lab session. And there will be additional reading and video materials and an online quiz. Because of the coronavirus pandemic, all students can join the in-person lab session virtually through Zoom. You don't need any excuse to take the lab sessions online. Before each lab session, the Zoom meeting ID and password will be distributed through email and Carmen website. And each Zoom meeting will be recorded and available in Carmen website after the meeting. In this slide and next slide, I'm talking about the course schedule. This is a half semester course, so we have 7 weeks in total. And in the first week, I will introduce CLM and conceptual foundations. You will read the textbook, watch my lecture video, and read or watch additional materials. Then you will take an online quiz, and all lecture video and additional materials will be available in Carmen website. In the second week, I will introduce several metrics to measure the customer values. The format is the same as the first week: textbook, lecture, additional materials, and quiz. In addition, we will have an in-person lab session. I will demonstrate how to compute the metrics with real data. After the lab, you will have an assignment with detailed guideline. Just follow the procedure in the guideline with the data and submit your answers. In the third week, you will learn customer lifetime value. The format is the same as the second week: textbook, lecture, additional materials, lab, and quiz. In the first week, you will learn RFM analysis for customer classification. And the format is the same. In the 5th week, you will learn logistic regression in the same format. In the 6th week, we will discuss about how to implement CLM and loyalty program. This week's topic is like a general discussion, not those mathematical tools. So instead of having a lab session, there will be 2 individual assignments with HBR articles. You will read those articles and be asked to summarize the articles. After Thanksgiving, we will have our last week. In the last week, I will introduce a real case of the mathematical tools. You will read an article and watch my video that explains the situation managers faced in the case. Then we will have 2 lab meetings during the week. In those meetings, I will share the actual data in the case and demonstrate how to conduct real analysis with the data. As you know well, all courses will turn online after Thanksgiving, so those lab meetings will be online only through the Zoom. In the schedule table, grade items are highlighted in red. To get credit, you have to do all of those items. And you can find the schedule in our course syllabus as well. Grading. There are 4 components of grading. First, we have quizzes. Again, there will be an online quiz in each week. The quiz covers all lectures and additional materials provided in the week. It contains several true-false, multiple choice, and short answer questions. Second, lab assignment. There are 5 assignments. For each assignment, we will have 1 or 2 lab sessions. I will demonstrate how to conduct the data analysis you learn in the lecture. Detailed lab procedures and data sets will be provided, and you will submit your answers and lab files online. And please note that each lab assignment is basically designed as an individual assignment. That is, each of you must submit your own original work and answers. Some discussions are allowed, but any types of collaboration are not permitted. Third, other individual assignments. In week 6, 2 HBR case study materials will be assigned. They are real-world examples relevant to the topic of the week. They will be discussed in the lecture, so you are required to read and summarize the assigned case studies before watching the lecture. An online submission page will be provided on Carmen with several questions that help you summarize the cases. By answering those questions, you can understand the case studies and critically think why they are so important and how you can apply the knowledge from the case studies to other cases. These are also individual assignments, so each of you must submit your own original answers. And of course, any types of collaboration are not permitted. Fourth, attendance and participation. To receive full credit of attendance and participation, you have to successfully attend and participate all online activities and in-person classes. If you miss an activity or class, there will be a proportional deduction in your grade. Due dates and late submissions. The due date of each quiz assignment will be announced with the quiz and assignment instruction in Carmen website. Late submissions will be accepted, but there will be a 10% penalty per day after the due date. If you need more time for the quiz and assignment due to any personal issues, please email me immediately. We can figure out the best way for both you and me. Textbook. We will use this textbook, Customer Relationship Management, Concept, Strategy, and Tools. This is the third edition, which was published first in 2018. And the authors of this textbook is V. Kumar and Werner Reinhardt. And this book is available in Amazon and the university bookstore. There are 4 HBR articles that we use in this course. The first one, Blue Apron article, introduces a real case where customer lifetime value is used to decide the firm's strategic action. We will use this article in week 3. The second and third ones are the articles you have to read and summarize in week 6 before watching the lecture. And the last one, Pilgrim Bank article, will be used in our case study week. Because of the copyright of those articles, I cannot share my copy with you. Instead, I made a course pack in HBR website for your convenience. This is the link of our course pack, and you can access this link in the slide file of this video. Just click the link to go to the purchase and download page for those articles. Software. We will use Microsoft Excel and IBM SPSS statistics. Excel will be used for all assignments, and SPSS will be used for the last 2 assignments. You can find the detailed instructions of how to install the software in our course syllabus. So please refer to page 5 in our syllabus. If you have any problems during installation, please email me. I will help you resolve the problems. The others. Please see the syllabus for details. Our course syllabus is uploaded in syllabus tab of our Carmen website. The syllabus is a contract between you and me. That is, it is your responsibility to read the syllabus carefully, clearly understand what the syllabus says, and keep in mind what is the important thing to do to get credit. If you have any questions and concerns, please email me immediately. I, as the instructor of this course, will always be here to help you. Okay, that's all I have in this video, and see you soon. Bye-bye.